Hey everyone, welcome to School Dropout's Advice. Today we are talking about Litecoin, a cryptocurrency and often described as the silver of the cryptocurrency world. We will look into the coin's history, talk about the technicals, and finally talk if Litecoin should be a part of your cryptocurrency portfolio. Please subscribe to my channel before we get into details so you get updated about exciting crypto and stock news and any other investment opportunities. Litecoin was created in 2011, 2 years after Bitcoin. It was created by Charlie Lee, a computer scientist, and had worked for Google. And after the creation of his coin, he worked at Coinbase in 2013. He sold and donated most of his coins in December 2017 at the height of the coin's price. Shortly after, he also quit the Coinbase position and worked as a directing member for the Litecoin Foundation. Litecoin hits its all-time high in December 2017 when it hit like 306 per coin. We are trading at the time of recording at 180 per coin. Litecoin is sitting as the number 9 in the market cap in the crypto world with a market cap of around 12 billion, roughly 1.33% of Bitcoin. Litecoin is known to be quicker than Bitcoin. When Bitcoin needs 9 minutes to finish a transaction, Litecoin only needs 2.5 minutes. So the Litecoin network is faster because the algorithm known as script is easier to mine. Litecoin and Bitcoin are both in the proof of work ecosystem. This means that the underlying process in which both Bitcoin and LTC, or also known as Litecoin, are mined is fundamentally similar. Sending a transaction with Litecoin or LTC needs to be mined, which means miners have to work on the transaction and get as a reward some LTC. LTC, or Litecoin as the name reveals, was designed for quicker and smaller transactions. Like buying some groceries would be more convenient with Litecoin than Bitcoin because of the transaction's confirmation time. At this point in the video, we are comparing the coins on a currency level. In my opinion, both of these coins are not the best candidates for a currency because they are too volatile. A stablecoin would be a much better option, acting as a currency. No grocery stores like to accept a volatile currency as a payment because they have to pay their vendors too. They can't sell you some bread for 1 Litecoin, but tomorrow when they have to pay the vendor 2 Litecoin. This is a very simplified explanation, but you understand what I mean. But people can still use the Litecoin network to do transactions. This would look like this. Traditional fiat money will be converted into Litecoin, transferred to the merchant, and converted back into traditional fiat money. This is a way to work around it. The fees would be cheaper than credit card fees, so this would be an option. But again, there are stable coins and other coins that can function in this role without converting back and forth. So is Litecoin already obsolete and makes it an investment bad? I wouldn't say so. At the moment, I see Litecoin and Bitcoin as a store of value. And as more and more people see it in this way, the value will rise. Just because it cannot function as a currency, it doesn't mean that they are worthless. We are already standing at the point where these coins are very difficult to go back to zero. I describe it in my Bitcoin video up here, which I also link down in the description. The coins are like painting, like a Picasso or a Van Gogh. When people see value in it, then the price will reflect the average value of the people. Many people will choose Litecoin because the price tag on it seems cheaper, and many people hope that Litecoin will become the next Bitcoin. Litecoin is fundamentally better, and it has 84 million in circulation versus 21 million of Bitcoin when they are all mined. Yeah, this is all true, but in my opinion, Bitcoin came first, grew faster, and is better known. So there's a good chance that Bitcoin will manifest itself as the top digital value storage. Many people think they can act as a currency, but I don't think so. They will be a storage of value. Every investor should be clear about this. If you are a trader, it doesn't really matter. Traders can make money with everything. If you choose metals, forex, stocks, cryptocurrency or Pokemon cards, all can make money. But as an investor, I want you to know about Litecoin. Let me also show you this, because I need you to know that. This is LTC or Litecoin versus Bitcoin. You see that Litecoin is losing ground versus Bitcoin. So Bitcoins go up higher than a Litecoin. Let me give you an example. So if you put $1,000 in Bitcoin and $1,000 in Litecoin, Bitcoin would go to 1,200 and Litecoin goes to 1,100. Many new investors don't understand the mechanics and think that when they own 5 shares, they are worth more than 0.2 shares and believe that Litecoin can be the price of a Bitcoin. It's theoretically possible, but the market cap of Litecoin would be 4 times bigger, making it a lot harder. Let me pull up another graph here so you can see how Ethereum is doing versus Bitcoin. You can see that it's more stable and not in a downwards trend like Litecoin. But we also have to be fair and have to add that Ethereum at this point already broke an all-time high of 2017 like Bitcoin. Litecoin did not break his all-time high of 2017 yet. So you have to think if this is a positive sign or a negative sign. At the moment, no one will know. In my personal opinion, if you are looking at digital storage for value, which will provide and multiply your buying power in the next digital ecosystem, then please watch my Bitcoin video, which I link below in the description. For me, Litecoin versus Bitcoin, Bitcoin is the clear winner. Both cannot act as a currency. The better choice for value storage is Bitcoin, just because it's 75 times bigger and everyone sees more value in a Bitcoin than a Litecoin. And again, please watch my Bitcoin video to understand that you should not trade those coins. You are buying the future's buying power, which is multiplying over the next years. At this point, I have to say for legal reasons that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube. Do your own due diligence and remember that your money is your responsibility. And please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed watching it. Please share it with your loved ones and check on my other videos on my channel. Many thanks. See you hopefully in the next video. Thank you. Bye.